Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica and I'm a travel blogger, content creator and traveler. On this channel I share about all things travel. So if there's something that you're interested in, definitely hit the subscribe button and I hope to see you another time. In today's video I thought I'd do a Monos unboxing slash first impression slash review. I just got a Monos luggage. I upgraded my old luggage to this one now, so I wanted to share. I was just going to unbox it and I'm like, you know what, this might be a really cool thing to share on YouTube, especially for those who are in the market for a new luggage. Maybe you're just like, so many options, so many amazing options, and like, which one do I get? And maybe you've been looking at the Monos and you're just wondering if it's worth buying. Hopefully this video can help you make a better buying decision. So without further ado, let's just get into this review. So first things first, I got two of them. So I got the Monos carry-on and I also got the Monos check-in luggage. They have a bigger one, but I didn't feel like I needed it. Previous times that I had a 3-piece luggage set, so my yellow luggage set, I never at any point in any trip needed 3 pieces of luggage. It just never was the case. Usually a large, medium-sized luggage, and the carry-on was everything that I needed. So I decided to just get two pieces. So I'm gonna start off with the carry-on. How gorgeous is this? And this color, I'm in love. This is a beautiful color. It comes with a dust bag as well, which is really helpful. In total, it cost me $601. One thing I would definitely like to know is, will this scratch easily? Because it definitely has a very smooth surface to it, but I wonder if it will be kind of scratch friendly or scratch resistant or whatever it is, or like if it would scratch easily. I guess we'll find out because I'm going to be doing quite a bit of travels this year, so it would be nice to know that. I'm gonna maybe do another review after like 6 months, or just after using it for a while. I'm just gonna give it a little spin for you to see. There is this a lock over here, which is great because now you don't need to buy TSA approved locks separately. I think I'm supposed to slide this. Yeah, okay, cool. So let's open it up. So first impressions of unboxing this, I definitely love how durable it looks. It is such a beautiful color. Like the green is stunning. So if you're wondering, because they do have a ton of colors on their website, they have the terracotta, they have the kind of like a brown. This is a beautiful color to have. I think I spent around $234 on this one alone. Now let's unbox the biggest one, so the check-in large. that is very important to know is the shipping time. So thankfully I wasn't looking to get the luggage immediately for a trip that's coming up soon. I kind of just wanted to get it for a trip that was happening in May. So in March I placed the order. I think I placed the order on March 4th, and I got it to my home in Canada. I think they're a Vancouver company. I got it in my home in Canada in mid-April. So it did take, well, a little over a month to get it to me. So I would say that, you know, if this is something that you're interested in, don't buy it knowing that you will need it very quickly. Maybe you have a trip the next week. Try to give some kind of lead time for it to arrive. I don't know if this is the normal, you know, shipping process. I don't believe it is. I think maybe because of COVID, they're having a bit of a harder time fulfilling orders. So, but I just wanted to point it out there that if this is something that you need urgently, maybe, you know, you should reconsider that. Okay. Impressions, I love both of them. I love the color. I'm obsessed with the color. I'm a green girl, so maybe that's why. But I think they do have some really stunning colors on their website. It's not loud. It is a bit muted, but it's still very beautiful. Like, these are very beautiful luggage sets, and it feels very durable. I love the fact that it comes with something to clean. So it comes with something that you can clean it with. And I also love the fact that they've put in like a luggage tag. They've also put in 3 dust bags inside that you can maybe use for your dirty clothes or put your shoes in. I know that they also have packing cubes on their website, and I'm thinking of actually getting those, and maybe also getting like the duffel bag. I might just go ahead and do it because I'm very impressed with the quality of these products, and I know that they will last a long time. They also guarantee like a lifetime guarantee thing, where if anything were to happen to your luggage, you can actually send it and they will fix it. So that's also nice to know that, you know, if anything happens, I can always just ship it over and then get something repaired or fixed. So in general, I'll definitely say that this is worth the money. I haven't used it. I haven't actually used it, which, you know, take everything with a grain of salt until I actually use it. But I'm very confident that they will last long. I'm very confident that they will, you know, they'll wear properly. So that's about it for this review. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you kind of got some insight on whether or not you need to be getting this luggage or not, because it does cost quite a bit of money. But I think $600 for really high quality luggage isn't all that bad. But, you know, just check them out and see if it's something that you want. This is not a sponsored video, in case you're wondering, but I just wanted to share that with you, because when I was in the market for luggage, I was very confused, and I was just going back and forth between this brand and another brand that's very popular, but I ended up just going with this one because, number one, they're Canadian. It's a Canadian brand, so like, support your own, right? And also the fact that they have the lifetime guarantee thing. And lastly, because this color was just calling my name. So yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe. I would love to, you know, have you on this channel. I will be doing more travel content and a little bit of lifestyle content. So that if that is up your alley and something that you want to see, definitely subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.